Have you tried swallow that contains a lot of nutrients? So stick around, lovelies, as I share with you how to make plantain and rice swallow at home. And so to make this delicious, smooth and starchy swallow, all we need is some rice and unripe plantain. And so for this recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of rice. Transfer the rice into a bowl, add some water and wash. So after adding the water, I just go ahead and squeeze the rice between my palms just to release some starch from it. And after washing the rice for some time, strain the washed water from it, then add fresh water and repeat the same process. I also like to let you know that you can use any kind of rice for this recipe. And after washing the rice once again, I also strain the water from it with the help of a strainer. And now that our rice is clean, we go ahead and add some water to it. Allow it to rest for about 10 to 12 hours. This process is just to help for easy blending. And after 10 hours, this is how our rice looks like. It now looks a little bit soft. So I go ahead and strain the water from it. You can also decide to soak your rice overnight, depending on the type of rice you are using. And after straining the water from it, I add fresh water to it and rinse once again. After rinsing, I also strain the water from it with a strainer. And once we are done with these processes, we go ahead and blend. So I transfer the rice into a blender, add some water and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth. And here we have our rice paste, which came out very smooth. And next we transfer into a cooking pot and set aside. And now that we have a smooth rice paste, let's go ahead and prepare our plantain as well. And also for this recipe, we are going to be using some unripe plantain. So I'll be using 3 unripe plantain for this recipe. So I'll start by peeling the plantain. Give the plantain a slight cut, then remove the peels from it. Plantain is a good source of potassium and magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and heart health. It is high in vitamin A, C, and B6. Plantain supports the immune system, skin health, and brain function. It is also high in carbohydrates that provide sustainable energy. This makes plantain an excellent choice for active individuals. So you can see we are not just making ordinary carbohydrate swallow, but swallow that is packed with a lot of nutrients. And after peeling the plantain, we go ahead to wash them clean. Please, if this is your first time of watching my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And after rinsing them and they become clean, we go ahead and cut them into blendable size. My today's shout out goes to Ima Pafford and also to Jezad45 from Estonia. Thanks so much for loving the recipe. And a wonderful shout out to you, my family out there. I want to say thank you so much for your massive support. I appreciate you. God bless you. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. And after slicing the plantain into smaller bits, we transfer into a blender, add some water and blend smoothly. As you can see, I'm adding the plantain to the same blender that I used in blending the rice. So we'll go ahead and blend the plantain until it becomes a paste also. And after blending for some time, this is how our plantain looks like. It came out very smooth. Add the blended plantain to the rice paste, then mix together thoroughly. Once properly combined, take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook on a medium heat and stir continuously. Please ensure to give it a continuous stir so that there will be no lumps in it. As you can see, as we cook and stir, it begins to thicken up. So continue to stir so that there will be no lumps in it. When it becomes very thick, stir vigorously to avoid any lumps in it. And after cooking it for some time and it becomes solid, I'll be bringing it together. And after bringing it together, I add water beneath it, then allow to cook for about 2 minutes. This allows our swallow to be well cooked. So after adding the water, cover and allow to cook for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of cooking it, I open and give it a quick stir once again. Stir thoroughly to be well combined. And once well combined, here we have our rice and plantain swallow, which came out very starchy and smooth. This is an easy and delicious recipe packed with a lot of nutrients. And I guess you will be trying this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. This swallow can be enjoyed with any soup of your choice. And now that our rice and plantain swallow is ready, we'll go ahead and wrap it in a cling film. And if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button and share with your loved ones. And here we have it, our swallow filled with a lot of nutrients. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.